Hi, Jim Sinesco here, Vice President with AFC International. Talking to you a little bit about some of the scare that we've had with the coronavirus. And of course, we're all hunkered down. Things are kind of shut down a little bit. Industry's kind of slowing down. We're all still scared to death. And hopefully you're taking the necessary precautions to be safe for you and your family and your loved ones. We want to try to nip this, flatten that curve, as they call it, to try to reduce the spread. As you can see over the last couple of days, the virus has really escalated a little bit more than a lot of us thought. And they're saying maybe even more problems down the road. So more important is that we make sure we're protected. And there's been a lot of talk about respiratory protection products being used. And some people saying they're not very good for you as far as protecting you. True. In fact, the viruses are smaller, and the P100s, high efficiency filters, can protect down to about a 0.3 micron size. Viruses are smaller than that, but scientists and researchers really don't know exactly how large that coronavirus is airborne. They're saying it could be globs or globules, or it matches up with humidity in the air, and those particles could be actually larger. But since the P100 is the highest efficiency filter we have for the respiratory protection, it's still very, very, very important and very good to still use them. Will they give you 100% protection? No, but we also have to understand that it is some form of protection, and it's better. Now, surgical masks, on the other hand, are designed to stop your exhale breath onto other people. They're not respirators. So sometimes you're getting confused with surgical masks and then respirators. Respirators protect us from stuff that we're breathing in, and it filters it out. Therefore, we need a nice, tight sealing face piece. Make sure that that mask is sealed completely around your face. Even if it's an N95 disposable mask, make sure there's no gaps, holes. One thing for people who wear glasses, if you're seeing fog come up through the nose, that tells you right then and there you've got a hole here, and that is where that potential infiltration can take place. So make sure you form fit those masks, those paper masks, respirators, I call them, and we take precautions. When it comes to half face masks like this Sunstrom here, this is a rubber or silicone material. We want to make sure that that mask fits us perfectly, right? It's got a seal, and we got to get a good fit. So if you are purchasing masks, make sure you ask about sizes. Smalls are good for children or older kids. Little kids might have a problem with fitting these masks. And again, any leakage coming through, the mask is basically useless, right? We got to make sure we filter through the filter. We breathe through the filter, not through the side. And like water, air and viruses will find the path of least resistance. They'll find any hole you got. So if you got a beard or you got any way to anything that gets in the way of that seal, that respirator is useless. Okay, so we got to be smart in how we're using these. So make sure we get a good fit. Now, industry, we've used respirators forever, right? And we know that when you wear a respirator like this or this one here, we get fit tested. We have machines that do quantitative fit testing. We hook you up to a machine and we challenge that seal to make sure that you're fit properly. Obviously, in these times of emergencies, we don't have the time to do that. So we want to try to check it yourself. There's some things you can do. Put a mask on, cover the inlet, suck in. That mask should collapse on your face, right? Just like the paper mask and respirators. You want to form fit the nose around the face, and you want to try to feel like you're getting a good seal. That's really, really important. I did want to let you know of some of the products we still have on hand. We're one of the few companies that actually has product on the shelf, but they're dwindling fast. So if you are looking for respiratory protection and you want to prepare, definitely give us a call. But we still have some of the SR100s, which is from Sunstrom. The SR100 has 2 exhalation valves, and it uses 1 large P100 filter. That's still around. The sizes on these, I want to say they're small, medium, and then a medium large. So you got to fall within one of those 2 sizes. It does have a nice head harness and strap, and it's a nice, good connection to keep that mask on your face. Also, I wanted to point out we do have in stock a couple of these quantitative fit testing adapters. These would be used with those machines I talked about. The AccuTest 9000, it's a good fit testing machine. Port-a-count, of course, would work, and OHD's QuantiFit all would work using these types of adapters. Actually, the QuantiFit you need a special adapter, but for the Port-a-count and AccuCheck, we can use a filter or an adapter like this. For the GVC, and this is the GVC mask. This is called the Elipse mask. Again, it's a high efficiency P100 filter, dual head straps. You would put this on. You want to make sure you're getting a good seal. And one way to do that is to cover the inlets and suck in. You should get a negative feeling, a suction on the face piece. So if you don't have a machine to do it, you can do that. So that's one way to do it. We also have in stock the quantitative fit testing adapter. So you agencies out there that this is for work, the NIOSH criteria for fit testing and OSHA criteria for fit testing, you'll need this type of adapter, and they simply plug into here. So it comes in a kit like this called the GVS fit testing adapter. We have those available. We still have quite a few GVS masks available as well. Same size situation, small, medium, medium, large. So understand that when you're looking for masks, women, children, younger adults, probably a small, medium, adult men, medium, large. So that's kind of the sizing you want to go. Smaller frame men, possibly a small, medium. I don't know. I can't tell you what's going to be the best, but you do have to get that fit, and that's very important. For the GVS Elipse, we do have a pandemic kit. It's called the AFC Respirator Flu Kit, so that's available. There's some wipes in there. There's a baggie for storage for your mask, and you get the mask itself. So, don't panic, don't worry. Stay inside, keep your distances, do all those things, wash your hands. All these things are great advice. If you want to be protected, though, be smart. Get the respirator that fits you, get the right size, do the checks. Make sure if you're a man, clean shaven face is all important. You want to get that best seal you can get. So if you have any questions, give us a call, reach out to our customer service. We're still here. We're keeping our distance. We're out in the country. We're trying to keep contact down to a minimum. So I know we're taking a risk by doing this. We want to make sure we take care of you people out there who are worried and concerned. But make sure you give us a call, 800-952-3293. Look us up on the internet, www.afcintl.com. And like anything else, call if you have any questions. I'm Jim Sinesco for AFC. Stay safe. Hope to hear from you.
Nice. All right.